Welcome to YOUCANIC. In this video we're going to show you how to replace this trunk support on a Tesla Model 3. The procedure is the same on other models as well, and it's very easy to replace these. We recommend having two people though, because once you take one off, you want to have another person just hold this trunk lid open, otherwise it can close and injure you. Another recommendation is there's aftermarket supports here that will allow the trunk lid to open up on its own when you open it. So it's up to you. You could go with OEM or aftermarket. The procedure is very simple. You need a flathead screwdriver. Now you gotta be careful. Don't have your hand over here. Be careful so it doesn't slide and scratch the car. But you'd come here and you'd lift that up. Well, now have a friend hold the trunk lid open, and then you just push this away like so, and then you have the same connection right down here at the bottom. Here we're going to do the same thing. We lift this out and then pull it just like so. Now you take the new one. You do have to come back here, and then even on the new one you just kind of lift that out a little bit and then release, and that's it. It just goes right in there. And then you come up and do the other end. Lift this up. Do not have your hand over here. Be careful of that, because the screwdriver will slide and injure your hand. And once it connects, just release it. And that's it. Very simple and straightforward. Thank you for watching.